Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. When s approaches to number 0, we put number 0 cone here, 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 and here. So this one you got number 0, this one you got number 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about elf hospital. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So this one we can put 2x plus 16 to the power of 1 over 4. So the root of number 4, that is about 1 over 4. This one, that is about 1 over 3. This one, that is about 1 over 2. So if we do first the derivative of this one, so we got 1 over 4 multiplied by 2x plus 16 to the power of 1 over 4 minus 1. Later that we need to do first the derivative of 2x plus 16. So this one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. So we have number 2. This one we have number 1. This one, that is about the constant. So you got number 0. Now we can do similar for this one. And this one. So we put number 0 cone here, here, and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one and we got negative of 51 over number 8. This is the end. Thank you for watching.